front of me is OUKITEL OKT1, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. You need to begin by exiting clock. Then click on Saucer click on Alarm section over here and tap on this plus icon. Now you need to set up an hour, and when you're ready, tap on OK. Then pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. Click on this vibrate option over here if you wish to disable or enable vibrations, and click on add label. Now you can label your alarm however you want to, if you want to, and tap on OK. Then click on this balloon icon over here and choose one of those melodies by tapping on the best one for you and going back. But you can also choose add new, pick music from your device and go back as well. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it. In order to turn it back on, just click on the same one. If you wish to delete your alarm, click on this icon over here, then tap on delete at the bottom left corner, and now it's gone. In order to adjust more alarm settings, tap on those three dots at the top right corner, select settings and adjust all of them however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!